This is verse 45 of the 24th chapter, Gospel of Matthew. Jesus has been warning concerning the events that are going to take place in the next few years, and he, in that connection, gives the admonition that there should be watchfulness, that they shouldn't be caught unawares, that he's certainly given them sufficient signs to recognize what's going on, to take appropriate action. And then it's likely that he's turning his attention especially to these who are his innermost followers, wanting to make sure they understand that they are not exempt from this, that their station as those who are leaders actually heightens their responsibility. They don't have the luxury of relaxing because they're in some kind of leadership role, but actually called to higher vigilance. That seems to be the focus. That's the common view. We have tis as interrogative pronoun, who, ara, one of several words that can mean therefore, who, therefore, in consequence, conjunction. Estin, the verb of being, who is. Ho pistos, the faithful doulos, slave. So who is the faithful slave, servant? Of course, Jesus looking especially at these who have been his innermost followers. Who is the faithful servant, kai phronimos, a word that means wise. It's actually a combination of several words that all come together to suggest simply wise or stewardly, responsible. Who is the wise and responsible slave? Hon, relative pronoun in the accusative, whom. Katistesen, this is from kata histemi. It means to stand above or to stand over, to stand down literally, but it means to stand in a position over. And so who is the one whom he makes to stand over? And then ho, Kyrios, the Lord. Who is the one whom the Lord makes to stand? Epi upon tes, oiketeos, from oikos, the word means not only the house, but especially the servants within the house, autou of him. So who is the one that he puts in the position over the house? We have here the articular infinitive in the genitive, suggesting the genitive of purpose. So in order to, for the purpose of dunai, infinitive here, in order to give, it's from didomi, to give, autois, to them, that is to the ones who are in this house. Tain trophein, literally meat, usually means something like food, to give to them. The food in Cairo from time to time is appropriate in season, but generally means that the appropriate meal times, that idea. So who is the one that is going to be over this community of faith as they anticipate the unfolding events that he's just been describing to them? And of course he's giving particular responsibility to these who are the apostles, that they recognize the heightened character of their duties in this connection.